In this scenario, I'm going to roleplay as the CEO of a food products and manufacturing company. Our business is heavily dependent upon energy costs and agricultural inputs, both of which have recently been disrupted in the same event. We're going to work with AI to help us build a price change strategy to minimize our customers' pushback while maintaining margins. Shipping hurts us both coming and going, so we're going to focus on ways to mitigate that particularly. If this is of interest to you, watch the rest of the video and follow along. Some general prompting advice is to provide your role so that Claude can calibrate its responses, describe the business being impacted, describe the circumstances impacting the business, and describe what you would like the desired output to look like. We've given Claude permission to work out of a local folder, and that's where it's going to store all of the output files that it creates for us as it works. Claude will ask clarifying questions along the way, which lets us avoid having to front-load too much information at the beginning. It'll only ask what it needs to know, and continue along as it goes. Claude may invoke web searches, other skills, and external tools as it strives to solve the problem that you've set before it. Some of these may require your feedback or permission to proceed. As it works, Claude will provide status updates on the right and a window into its thinking on the left. We've made some edits to this section of the video to condense some of the steps down in time frame to make it a little bit more presentable for our audience. As Claude finishes thinking and compiling its information, we can see that it creates its local files in the folder that we've given it access to. It's important to wait until Claude completes its task before we open and edit these files. Let's take a look at the strategy deck that it's given us to present to the board. As you can see, it's spoken to our list of concerns, but also backed it up with data from its research efforts. Next up, let's take a look at the Word document that it's created in report format. This document was created leveraging the audience writing skill that we created using Claude Code itself. This skill is available for free at our website. You can find it at the link below. Okay, so all of this looks wonderful, but I'm not yet quite satisfied. I think I would like to have Claude go ahead and create a financial model that helps me understand the mathematical implications of this. While our example is going to be using Microsoft Excel locally, you can also accomplish the same thing using Google's Sheets integration for Claude. All right, as we see, Claude has created the local Excel document and is now producing its summary of the work that it has done in that file. We're going to go ahead and open it up and take a look. As we see, with no real specific prompting, it's created a fairly reasonable financial model. The first tab is Charts and Dashboard Information. It's got an Assumptions tab. It includes formulas and calculations. It's not just a presentation in a spreadsheet. Overall, represents a reasonable starting point. We hope you enjoyed this presentation by the IP Academy. To learn more about our educational services, check out the links below or follow the QR code at the end of this video.